Good morning, Mrs. Shatzley's class. I just wanted to show you real quickly your ELA virtual classroom. I'm Mrs. Grillo, and I will be your ELA or Language Arts and Social Studies teacher. And I have created, just like you had your math in Mrs. Shatzley's classroom, I have created here a classroom for you. I apologize. We are learning the system, and mine came up first. You will go to Mrs. Shatzley's classroom first, which actually is down a little bit on your activity feed. I apologize. We will try and get that fixed for next week. But here you will find my classroom, and just like Mrs. Shatzley's, please do not turn this in until Friday. It has everything you need. But you do not need to go to Tuesday because we're already done with it, and I will try to edit that before you have class this afternoon with check marks on the page so that you know that you don't have to do those. But I do have instructions here for you, and it says, very important, do not turn this in by clicking the green check mark. Keep it in the drafts. So all you need to do is add a response, and I'm going to use my sample student. You won't need to do that. And here is my classroom. Here you'll find the link for our Google Meet at 1:15, and here, if you go to Wednesday, you will find your playlist for today. If you ever miss our meet accidentally or something happens with your technology, I will post right here in your meets for you to rewatch your video. And you can also, as we get going here, like tomorrow, let's say you realize I turned back an assignment and you need to do something, you were like, I don't know what I did wrong. You can go back and you can watch this. That's the nice thing about virtual learning, is you can go back and rewatch the teaching so that you know what you missed if you missed something. So that's kind of nice. This will always take you back to the classroom for anything else that you might need. I did give you a little video on here to watch, which is very similar to this. I think that is all. So just remember, click Wednesday, because that is today. Here you'll find the links. We're doing a Kid President video, and there's an activity about how awesome you are and how to be more awesome. Everybody needs to be a little more awesome sometimes. And then you do have 3 activities today that we'll be working through. Please do not worry about the I am awesome or what makes me feel until after class. Watch the video, if you can, before our Google Meet, and I will go through the 3 assignments during that. Sometimes if you do your assignments too soon, you may miss something that I want to tell you during class. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a good math class, and I will see you at 1:15. Have a great day. Bye.